Hey, welcome back everyone. My name is Sushant Satish and I'm your instructor for this Teams Administrator Associate MS-700 examination series. In this lesson, we're going to talk about Microsoft Teams architecture. Multiple Office 365 services have been combined together to provide this unified communication and collaboration hub experience of Microsoft Teams. Before diving deep into architecture, we need to understand the basics. The basics is Microsoft 365 groups, formerly known as Office 365 groups. Microsoft 365 Group is the cross-platform membership service in Office 365. Microsoft 365 groups are related to traditional Active Directory groups. But while AD groups serve permission management and message distribution purpose, Microsoft 365 groups are built for collaboration of teams and not suited for granular permission management. Microsoft 365 groups support two types of members, owners and members. Owners can manage the group settings and membership, while members can participate with the group resources and subscribe to updates. Some of the resources which are included in Microsoft 365 groups are a shared Outlook inbox, a shared calendar, a SharePoint document library, a Power BI workspace, a team, a planner, Yammer, roadmap, etc. Teams provide features to enhance the existing collaboration services and features of Microsoft 365 Group, with additional communication services such as persistent chat-based workspace and voice. You can create a new team, which also creates a Microsoft 365 group, or you can enable a Microsoft 365 group with Microsoft Teams as well. And Teams adds several new features to Microsoft 365 group, such as chat capabilities for one-on-one and one-to-many instant messaging, standard channels for open communication and collaboration between all team members, private channels for secure communication and collaboration for subgroup of team members, a dedicated SharePoint document library for any standard and private channel, a tab integration to a unified client experience, integration of apps, native, third-party, and line of business application into a unified client, and activity feeds for easy access to your notification, etc. Let's look at the dependencies of Microsoft Teams. Teams utilizes the services of Microsoft Office 365 to provide collaboration and communication capabilities that were already well known before Teams existed. When you create a team on the backend, you are creating a Microsoft 365 group and the associated SharePoint document library and OneNote notebook as well. For example, Teams uses Exchange Online to send and receive distributed emails. It stores data processed by the chat services that is built into your Skype for Business, voice services such as conferencing and meetings. So this diagram shows the existing dependencies from Teams to the traditional Office 365 services. These complex dependencies result in different types of data produced by different workloads, because not all types of data are efficiently stored in a single storage location. Teams uses the most effective storage location depending on your user data that is produced by each service. The following diagram provides an overview of types of data produced by using Teams and where they are stored. If you look at files, files are stored either in Teams files on SharePoint and chat files on OneDrive for Business. If you look at contacts, it's on Exchange, meeting information on individual mailbox in an Exchange database, voicemail on your mailbox in Exchange as well. Let's understand the governance, security, and compliance for Teams. Teams not only enables users to consume different Office 365 services and stores user data at the most efficient location, it also provides a strict approach to ensure governance, security, and compliance with regards to your consumption and processing of business data. This is done by applying the complex security compliance features in dedicated ways on all the data that teams produce. This protects against leakage and loss of business data by supporting compliant business processes when discovering sensitive business data. Now that we have understood the high-level Teams architecture, we started with Microsoft 365 groups and we learned about how it is integrated with Microsoft 365 groups. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about Microsoft Teams integration with SharePoint Online and OneDrive for Business. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.